Hi, I'm Craig McLeod and welcome to Drift My Ride. Today we've got Gareth in his RB26 powered R33 Skyline. The RB26DETT engine is a 2.6 litre inline-six engine manufactured by Nissan for the use in the 1989 to 2002 Nissan Skyline GTR. The intake of the RB26 varies from other RB motors in that it has 6 individual throttle bodies instead of a single throttle body. Originally the R32 GTR was planned to have a 2.4 litre engine. This was when Nismo was going through the process of designing the R32 GTR to be a Group A race car. But when the engineers added the all-wheel drive system, they found it made the car heavier than expected and as a result much less competitive. Nismo made the decision to make the engine a 2.6 litre twin turbo and compete in the higher class, resulting in the RB26DETT known today. Dude, thanks for coming along.
Not a problem, mate.
You've brought I don't know quite how to describe it in some ways.
An oven?
At the moment it is an oven, it's baking hot. Windows don't go down.
No,
because we've said weight saving.
Yeah.
Terrible idea.
And the boys have been at me for weeks to do it.
Haven't done it. Yeah. But what have you brought? Tell us what it is.
This is my R33 drift car. I've had it now for 2 or 3 years.
Did you buy this as a standard car?
I bought it from Driftland.
Okay.
It's one of their school cars.
Oh, I didn't realise that.
Yeah, it's a school car.
There's a lot of research and development. Some of that development has been done by hitting things.
Yeah. There's a bit of that, wrecking stuff.
And that's what I mean by I don't quite know how to describe this thing. Because this thing is, when you look at it, you go, oh, it's a bit beaten up, isn't it? And then you open the bonnet.
Yeah. So
we might as well start with what you did.
Yeah, it's RB26, forged pistons, rods, all comedic gaskets, ACL bearings, little bit of headwork, standard cams, 6-boost manifold, basic Holset turbo.
What Holset is it?
It's an HY35, so it's like the HX but with a smaller turbine housing, so it gets you on boost faster. Top you out somewhere between 500-600 horsepower, but I don't really need more than that.
And you can't tell how much horsepower it's working because it was sticking the dyno.
The first time we brought it off the dyno, it made 525 brake on its safe map on spring pressure. It's wheel spin the dyno, so it's just crazy. 500
plus a lot more.
Well, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's pretty crazy.
What boost did you say you're running at?
At the minute it's running about 22 psi.
And there's a serious amount of electronics in here. What do you call this thing in the middle?
This is the PMU, it's ECU Master's new power management unit.
And that's what would typically take place of your fuse
board and fuses, etc. Yes, I can dial into it and set it to alarm if it sees too much current, power and stuff like that. So there's pretty much no wiring in the car apart from a little bit of them.
Yeah, that's the thing, is it strips it all out, doesn't it? Yeah, you've got a tablet dash here that tells you all the things, and that's totally customizable to be whatever.
You can change it, pretty much everything it can see off the ECU.
So, engine is the RB26. What gearbox do you run? Is it?
I'm on Hopes and Dreams at the minute with a standard box. If anybody wants to give me a gearbox to put in it, but yeah, we're on a standard box competition twin plate clutch at the moment.
You spend all that money on your building an engine. You might as well spend more money to make sure that engine is not going to kill itself.
100%. Been tried to make it go fast with old shit, and it just doesn't work.
So the whole plan with this was you've got an R34?
Got an R34 again. So, Gumtree, cheap again. Need to stay off Gumtree. Picked it up down near Birmingham. Really cheap, 3-door one. Brought it home. Never even drove the car. Ripped it apart like any normal person would do. So, started doing that, and then it was like, you know what, Drift Cup's approaching, and the way Drift Cup's progressing at the minute, if you take a year out, forget about it. It's really hard to get back there again, even with a standard of driving and the list of people wanting in. Just wing a new engine into the old chassis, and then it doesn't matter if you crash it. And I'm glad I did, because I've crashed it at every event I've taken. But it's awesome. I love driving it, and it's just so fun. Yeah.
So is it wisefab front and rear, or is it just front?
Running wisefab on the front with BC coilovers all round.
All round, yeah.
On the rear, I just run cheap adjustable arms on the back.
Okay.
And a stock 4-1 diff welded.
4-1 as well, so super rapid as well. Goes through the gears like anything. Then cage as well. Got a nice drift cup. Is this drift cup?
This was Drift Cup approved. This was farmed in by our one and only agricultural expert William Hanna.
Oh, William Hanna, the
Oh, he's a wee
agricultural
bit,
expert, yeah.
Yeah, he put it in with bare hands.
Yeah. Just looked at it and it
done a
welded
main
itself.
hook over his knee and just. Only joking.
Yeah, so she's.
No, good job.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot.
And yeah, nice cross space in the back.
It's compliant. We've got a fire extinguisher here in case we get warmer than we are now.
Yeah, oh my god, it's so hot. We're dying in here, by the way.
Wellwood hydro cylinder in it, Hardy wheel. I've got a wee lightweight heater mate rakes, ripped all the standard crap out, so there's nothing really in behind this. It's just to take the bad look away. My ECU down the bottom. What kind of
alignment do you run it? Do you have anything in particular?
Yeah, I take it to Mark Illand. I set the back up flat, zero grip, like everything full, zeroed out.
Yeah, so zero toe, zero camber.
Oh, a little bit of toe to get speed.
Okay.
No camber whatsoever on the car, like. But yeah, it's going to be awesome. Well, I need to learn how to drive the car properly, and it's going to be.
It's a big jump from where it was.
Yeah, it's just the torque it drives. There's so much power. You can drive it off turbo and then boost. It's like whoa.
Should we go and see what that's like then?
Let's do it, man.
Right.
I can't wait to see your face.
Let's go and get scared.
That's it, man.
Okay.
Oh, for that draft.
Quite a lot off clutch. Slow shift. Right, let's see how it steers first. Woo! Right. Right, okay, this is completely different. Right, let's get on. So we're heading at $3,000 there. Grippy, isn't it? It's so grippy and it goes through boost so quickly, and the diff in it as well, it's like a gear lasts like 0.5 of a second. Oh my god. Right. You have to go for third. Pretty much. I'm like as well, right, I'm totally terrified of it. And I just did that. So am I. Just did that without me touching the handbrake at all for it. It was just so much speed it carried through. Oh yeah, everybody said to me, put 6 points on it. You're like, no. like
rumping you up the road, like.
Yeah, and the front feels like it's sucking in the road. There's no point it gets loose on that. So like you're coming into
sport tires that's on the front of it, unbelievable.
oh, they're just like you can feel constant like grip going from it. It's just man, absolutely man.
Something to do with fuel around that big corner, it's lifting air or something. Well, that's really good, that means we'll find the problem.
The fuel pump's dying. Excellent, at least we've done some testing and found some problems.
Yes. That's a bit of a mind game.
Yeah, like that little teeth, like if once you've got that solved, mate, just gonna be like how fast it goes through a gear. It's like a gear, bang, 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 you can do it like that. Oh, absolutely amazing.
Crazy, like when we took
well, dude, thanks for coming along. Right, guys?
Problem, man. Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Hope everyone else enjoys it.
There we go. And now we can say goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Guys, if you like these videos, if you could please like, share and subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Yep. And if you could follow me on Craig Does Drift on YouTube and Craig McLeod on Facebook. See you in the next one.